In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant Error VAN68. So first thing you want to do is go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. Here you're gonna write this command ipconfig/renew. Then write this ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. Once the command finishes loading, just close it down. Now here, go to control panel, network and internet, network, click on your internet properties, internet protocol properties, and here you're gonna write 888888844. Press OK. OK. And after that, this should fix your issue.